Hello everyone, my name is Twyla Davis and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for Splitcoaststampers on how to make this cute snowman popcorn sleeve and using fuzzy socks for his hat and scarf. So let's get started. First you're going to need a piece of white paper. And I'm going to use basic white from Stampin' Up. And you're going to cut it in half at 5 1/2. You can make 2 of the snowman out of 1 piece of paper. And that's all we need of the paper trimmer. And we're going to take some double-sided tape or tear tape. We're going to put it on the very edge of the white paper. This is a snug fit, but you can get 2 out of it if you squeeze it on there. So I'm going to peel the tape off of the side. I'm going to wrap it around the microwave popcorn. You kind of have to squeeze it to make it fit. Some of them are wider than others. Okay, here we go. Next, you're going to take a piece of scrap of black and orange paper. You're going to take a 1/2 inch circle punch. You're going to punch 2 black circles for the eyes. And I'm going to use the retired lemon punch for the nose. And some pumpkin pie. If you're very artistic, you can draw and cut out your own nose if you want, or you could cut like a triangle out for that. You're going to take another piece just of a scrap, and I'm going to draw like half an oval to make his smile. Now again, if you're very artistic, you can draw your own smile on him. You can also use an oval punch, an oval die to do that. I'm just going to kind of cut out a 1/2 circle, or a 1/2 oval, I would say. It doesn't have to go up very much, very high. Let's see if that works. It needs to be. And you might have to even use an ink pen to draw it. Just until it satisfies you. Want it a little bit flatter maybe on the bottom. It doesn't have to be perfect either. It's not about being perfect. I think that'll work. Okay. We're going to take our white chalk marker. I'm going to make a couple of little dots of sparkle to his eyes. Next, we are going to take a pair of fuzzy socks. Now, I got these at Dollar Tree already. They're pretty cute. At Christmas, it's a good thing to get them after Christmas. Get them a lot cheaper. Although these were only $1.25. You're going to start rolling it up the bottom till it kind of looks like a hat. I'm going to stick this on here. Now I'm just putting it on here so I can know where I want my smile, okay? So kind of like that. I'm going to just lay my eyes here just so I can see where I want my smile. And I kind of want my smile, I like to have it tilted. Kind of looks like a platypus, doesn't it? Like that. All right. So I think I want it about there. I'm going to take a black marker, a thin one. I'm going to use our Stampin' Right marker. And I'm just going to trace this. And I'm not going to go all the way up. I'm just going to go part of the way up. Like that. Makes a nice little smile. I'm going to add some little rosy pink cheeks using Flirty Flamingo. And I'm just going to twist. Ooh, those are really rosy, right? Like that. Okay. Twist that back up. I'm going to glue his eyes on. I think maybe I want to glue his nose on first. I really like that lemon punch. I think it makes a cute nose. Which way do I want to put that? Do I want to do it this way or the other way? What do you think? These are really nice to give as gifts at Christmas time or just wintertime fun. Makes a nice teacher gift. I think that looks pretty good. These go together pretty fast. They're a good craft fair seller. If you guys do craft fairs, I have really good luck with these. Okay, and we are almost done. This last one, let me move this up here. This other sock, you're going to fold in half, or sometimes if it's a bigger sock, I know some of the fuzzy socks are really a lot bigger. I'm just going to kind of roll it into, I'm trying to find my little rubber bands. There they are. You can't see them because they're clear. I'm going to take this. So I want the open end on the front. There's all kinds of different ways you can attach these. Okay, we're going to wrap it around here. You could use like a little ribbon and tie there. Make a little bow for it. Okay, this is it, guys. What do you think? You could also put another little tie up here. You could add a little bell up there. That would be cute. Let's try that if I can find another thing, but I might not be able to. Oh well. And so there you have it. And I hope you've enjoyed my video, and I hope you'll give it a try. It's a super fun and easy little project.